I'm back. We have another big haul. Yay! We have another DHGate haul. The goodies just keep rolling in, guys, and I'm so excited. Everything will be linked in my bio. It will take you to my beacons page, and you can click the item and it'll take you straight to the website to purchase. So let's get started. First of all, boxes on both of these are amazing, and I am so obsessed, like literally so obsessed with these shoes. Y'all are gonna be too, like literally the freaking cutest. Can you even? A little Gucci slide, we love her. She is adorable, she is perfect for summer. Quality on this one is 10 out of 10, like such good quality. Everything is so good. I got a size 38 and they do fit true to size. With this seller, 38s go for a size 8. So keep that in mind when you are ordering. Really, really cute. The next one we have is another little Gucci sandal. Packaging, amazing, 10 out of 10 on this one as well. But just a more little cutie sandal, like a little flat. Obsessed with the Horsebit on here. The quality of these also, this seller is, I mean, everything that I've gotten from them so far has been amazing. Like 10 out of 10, like the gold on the Horsebit is so good. So these will also be linked in my bio, and these are also a 38 and fit true to size as well. Like I said, I am a size 38. Next, I wanted to do some little accessory sunglasses. We got a pair of little Celine, really cute, packaging is good. The sunglasses case is really good too, but wait until y'all see these, they are so cute. Like, are you kidding me? Obsessed, like, we love them. They're so cute. And the quality of these also are amazing, obsessed with them. And then we got some little Prada. Many of you don't know I wear glasses whenever I am working because I am actually blind and probably need to wear them 24/7, but I don't. So I got a pair of little Prada glasses, and I'm just gonna have my prescription put into them. Like, these are so cute. And these little stickers come off as well, but these are literally the cutest. Trying to not get the glare on them, like so cute. So I cannot wait to take these to go get my prescription in them, and maybe I'll wear my glasses more after that. So those will be linked. And then last, we have a cute little summer bag moment. No packaging on this, it just came like this, which is okay, but like, are you kidding me? A little Miu Miu moment, so freaking cute. And just like the baby pink is just so fun for summer. It comes with a long strap so you can make it a little crossbody. The inside is amazing as well. Just have the little pocket. Really cute, 10 out of 10 quality on this one as well. So everything will be linked in my bio. It will take you to my page and you could shop from there. And shipping for most of this takes about a month, give or take. So just be patient, but it is so worth it. So I hope y'all love all these goodies and have an amazing day. Love you.